Hi guys, welcome to Opal Sky. So today we are going to draw puppy. So let's get started. First of all, we draw line and draw another line, ups and down type. Draw circular shape and then go in the upward direction and join this point to this point. So here we draw it's another ear, upward direction, upward, and we are getting in the downward direction, a small curve here and then in downward direction. Draw its mouth. And we draw its beautiful eyes now. Two circles for eyes, nose, and here it is completed. And now we draw first of all its eyes. Two circles and draw curved line beneath this, and here also a curved line beneath this and two circle in one side. Draw three lines and fill this circle carefully. Carefully guys, fill this circle. And again we fill the other circle like that. His eyelashes and eyebrows, and then we getting in the downward direction for its remaining body. Draw line and a curve here. Draw its feet. Here the curve and then a straight line. We get upward and draw a line, and here is also a line, and join this point to this point and a curve over it, and again a curve in it. And this is a foot of puppy. This is in a sitting posture. Draw its another feet which is behind this. Now our cute puppy is ready. So guys, if you like my drawing, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest video. Thank you.